Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. So today we're going to talk about long vowels in Arabic language. But before we get started, uh, let's have a quick review of the last video. So we have seen short vowels. We have seen four types of short vowels. That quick review. So we have seen the fatha. The fatha, it's a short line above the letter, and it plays the role of A in apple. For example, here we have the letter ba, and we have a fatha above it, so it goes like this, ba, ba. So the letters go that way, a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, tha, ra, za, sa, sha, and so on. Okay, and we have seen the kasra. The kasra, it's a small line, a short line above the letter, and it plays the role of I in sit or bit. For example, here we have the letter B. So if we put kasra, it goes like this: B, E. So the letters go that way: E, B, G, F, G, H, F, D, and so on. Also, we have seen the Dhamma. The Dhamma looks like a tiny wow. Tiny wow. So it goes like U in push. For example, here we have the letter Ba. So we put the Dhamma above it. It goes like this: Bo, Bo. So the letters go that way: O, Bo, Jo, Tho, Jo, Ho, Ho, Do, Do, Ro, Zo, So, Sho, So, and so on. And we have a sukun, silent, the silence, and it indicates that we don't have a vowel here. So we have, for example, here the letter ba. If we put the sukun above it, it goes like this: b, b. So the letters go that way: e, b, ch, j, f, r, q, d, and so on. So this is a table, a conclusion. So if we have the fatha, the letters go that way: a, ba, ta. The kasra go that way: e, b, g. The dhamma, the letters go that way: o, bil, to. Pause the video and try to read this. So this is, as we see here, we have three dhamma on it. Okay, so it goes like this: ko, to, b, kutub, kutub. And we have here, it has three fatha: ka, ta, ba, kataba. Now, let's get started with long vowels. So as we have seen, we have short vowels, but also we have long vowels in Arabic. So we have three. The first one, the first long vowel is alif. So this alif, we put it after the letter. We want to have a vowel, or it's the contrast with the short vowels. Short vowels are just symbols, but long vowels, they are letters. Okay, so if you want to think about the long alif, it's like a fatha. It's like a long fatha. Okay, for example, here, as we see this example, we have kitab. Kitab, as you see, after the letter ta, we have that alif. Okay, this is the long alif, the long vowel. So this word goes like this: kitab, 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 kitab. Okay, and Another example we have here, bab, bab. As you see the letter ba, we put next to it the letter alif, the long vowel alif. So the letter go like this, ba, ba, bab, bab, okay? We have also here the long vowel wow, okay? And it produce like the sound O, like double O, but kind of long. As we see here, we have nor, nor. So we have here the letter noon, and we put wow next to it, a long vowel wow. So the letter will be like this, no, no, nor, nor. We have another example here, Rasul, Rasul. As we see, we have the letter Ra, then we have the letter Sin, and we have the letter Wow, long vowel Wow. So this Sin will be like this, Su, Rasul, Rasul, Rasul. We have also the long vowel Yeah, Yeah, and it produced the sound like E, double E. It's like a long kasra. For example here, the word kabir, kabir. As you see, as you notice, we have first the letter kaf and then the letter ba. So, and we have ya next to it. So the ba will be B, B, kabir, kabir. Another example, Medina, Medina. We see the first letter mim, ma, and we have the second letter da, d, but we have yeah next to it, so it will be d, d, Medina, Medina, Medina. So if we want a conclusion, the letter alif, alif, it's like a long version of fatha, and the letter wow, the long vowel wow, it's a long version of dhamma, and yeah, it's a long version of kasra. Let's see some more examples.